Is your savings account actually making you money, or is it just sitting there, losing value to inflation? It's a question many of us don't stop to ask. For years, the traditional savings account has been our go-to for stashing cash, but in today's world, new apps are challenging that norm. One of the most popular is Acorns. So, how do you decide where to put your money? Let's break down Acorns versus a traditional savings account. First, let's talk about the traditional savings account. It's a safe, simple, and reliable place for your money. Your deposits are FDIC insured, so your money is protected up to $250,000. It's liquid, meaning you can access your funds easily for emergencies. The downside? The interest rates. A traditional savings account offers a low, often anemic, interest rate that barely keeps up with inflation. Your money is secure, but its purchasing power is slowly eroding over time. Now, let's look at Acorns. Acorns isn't a savings account, it's a micro-investing app. Its core feature is roundups. You link your credit or debit cards, and when you make a purchase, Acorns rounds it up to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. Bought a coffee for $3.50? Acorns takes 50 cents and puts it into an investment portfolio. This is a game changer for people who struggle to save. It automates the process and makes it feel effortless. Instead of your money sitting in a bank account, it's being invested in a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. This means your money has the potential to grow much faster than it would in a savings account. But there's a trade-off. Acorns charges a monthly fee, which can eat into your returns, especially if you have a small balance. And unlike a savings account, your investments aren't FDIC insured. The value can go up and down with the market. So, which is right for you? It's not an either/or situation. Think of your traditional savings account as your emergency fund, the money you need to access without risk. This is for your rainy day savings. Acorns is a tool for long-term growth. It's a way to start investing without feeling overwhelmed, building a habit that can pay off big in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.